In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Smartsheet pricing plans and choose the right option for your needs. To get started, open the official Smartsheet pricing page in your web browser. It's important to use the official pricing page so you're looking at the most current plan details, feature lists, and pricing information. Since software plans can change over time, this helps you avoid making a decision based on outdated details from third-party websites or old screenshots. Once you're on the pricing page, take a moment to review all of the listed plans from top to bottom. Don't rush this part. The goal here is to get a clear overview of what Smartsheet offers before focusing on any one option. You'll usually see several tiers designed for different kinds of users, from individuals and small teams to larger organizations with more advanced operational needs. Next, compare the main plan types, including Pro, Business, Enterprise, and any advanced options that are shown. As you look across these choices, pay attention to how each one is positioned. Pro is typically aimed at simpler workflows and smaller scale collaboration. Business usually adds more team-oriented capabilities and management tools. Enterprise is generally built for larger organizations that need stronger governance, security, and administrative oversight. Advanced options may include add-ons or specialized capabilities for companies with more complex requirements. After that, check which features are included in each plan. This is one of the most important parts of the comparison. Look carefully at what each tier allows you to do, such as collaboration tools, automation features, reporting, integrations, security features, and any premium functionality. If a plan looks affordable at first, make sure it still includes the tools you actually need for your workflow. A lower cost plan may not be the best value if it's missing an essential feature. Then review user limits and admin controls. This will help you understand how well each plan supports your team size and management needs. Pay attention to how many users are supported, whether there are guest or viewer options, and what kinds of administrative settings are available. If you're choosing for a company or department, admin controls can be just as important as the feature list. You should also compare monthly and annual pricing. This gives you a better sense of the real cost over time. Annual billing often provides a discount, so it's worth checking both options carefully. Make sure you're comparing the same plan under each billing type so the price difference is clear. Finally, choose the plan that best fits your use case. Base your decision on the features you need, the size of your team, the level of control required, and your budget. By reviewing the pricing page carefully and comparing each option methodically, you'll be able to choose a Smartsheet plan with much more confidence.